Want to break into a high-paying cyber career, but don't know where to start? Maybe you're overwhelmed by all the certifications, or you're wondering if you need a degree. Let me make this simple for you. You don't need a tech background to launch a cybersecurity career, and I'm going to prove it to you. Stick around because I'm going to show you how to go from cyber zero to cyber hero in under 6 months and land a job in one of the most secure and highest paying industries on the planet. First, why cybersecurity is the best career to start right now. Cybersecurity is not just in demand, it's mission critical because schools, hospitals, businesses, law firms, governments, all are under attack. Ransomware, phishing, insider threats, and who do they call? People like you. Over 3.5 million jobs are unfilled worldwide. The average salary in the US is over $132,000 per year. But here's the kicker. You don't need to be a hacker. You don't need to be a genius. You need curiosity, discipline, and a step-by-step plan. Cybersecurity is recession-proof, AI-proof, and growing. And there's room for beginners like you. Next, stop chasing certs. Let me be blunt. Certifications are tools, not magic keys. The internet is full of broke people with multiple certifications. Why? Because employers don't hire paper. They hire problem solvers. Security Plus won't get you a job if you don't know how to respond to a phishing alert. I try to tell my students this all the time. Just going out and studying on your own or studying YouTube videos to get a cert is not going to work for you. You got to be able to do the job when you get the job. And employers will know right away if you don't know how to do the job. So instead of blindly chasing certs, choose a niche, learn real-world tools, build projects and experiences, then validate your skills with the right certs. When you speak the language of risk, detection, and protection, you become a pro, even without a cert. The most overlooked path, GRC. Most people think cybersecurity equals hacking. Not true. The governance, risk, and compliance, or GRC track, is how many professionals land their first role. Why? First of all, there's no coding, there's no command lines to learn, there's no heavy tech background needed. GRC professionals write policies, do risk assessments, monitor compliance with frameworks like NIST, ISO 27001, and PCI DSS. These jobs are in banks, hospitals, government agencies, schools, you name it. Starting pay is around $65,000 to $85,000, and in 2 years you're going to be making $100,000 plus. I can almost guarantee that. It's one of the smartest ways to enter the industry. Next, you need to choose your cybersecurity niche. In cybersecurity, generalists struggle, specialists get paid. Now, I'm a generalist. I started this a long time ago, but I had to finally find a specialty that I wanted to get into. I wasted a lot of time chasing lots of different certifications that I really didn't need and really didn't matter at the time. So let's break down 6 high demand career paths that you can look into. First, I already mentioned the GRC analyst. They look at policies, frameworks, and auditing. You have a SOC analyst. These people monitor alerts and do incident response. We have an IAM specialist. That means information assurance manager. And these people manage who gets access to what. We have cloud security associates. They secure AWS, Azure, and GCP. You have security risk analysts. They identify vulnerabilities and assess risks. And you have privacy officers. They ensure that data protection compliance like HIPAA, GDPR, things like that are taken care of. If you want to know more, look at job postings by skill, not title. Search LinkedIn for things like NIST, Splunk, SIEM, IAM, PCI, and things like that. Those skills tell you what employees actually value. Next is build skills with free tools. Before you spend a dime, use these free and proven tools that's available to you. Things like Splunk Fundamentals 1. You can learn how to use a real-world SIM tool or SIEM tool using this. IBM Skill Build is another one. They have free career path information in cybersecurity. Learn MITRE ATT&CK. Learn attacker tactics and techniques using this resource. You have things like Cybersecurity and TryHackMe. They give you hands-on practice and many free modules that you can utilize. Visit NIST.gov and learn how to read and break down real frameworks. Create notes, create checklists or summary documents from everything you study and post them to LinkedIn weekly. You're not just learning, you're building a personal brand. Speaking of personal brand, let me take you over to my LinkedIn channel and I'll show you what I've done to build my own personal brand. Hello everyone. So I always talk about you have to think about more than just a job in cybersecurity. You want to build a brand in cybersecurity. So I want to start off with just taking a quick look at my LinkedIn page here. And as you see in my LinkedIn page, I want to talk about a few things I have here. First of all, because I post so much and I talk about so many things in cybersecurity, I have about 10,000 followers, and I also have about 9,000 connections as well, as you can see here. So how did I get that many folks? Looking at my profile, searching for me, looking at my posts, is because I post on a regular basis about cybersecurity. If you look at my featured piece here, I'm always posting some things about what I'm doing, in my cybersecurity and things like that. You see me as Cyber Hero, my new program. You see my YouTube post on deepfakes. I'm always posting some video or something about books I wrote or something about cybersecurity that's going to keep me top of mind when it comes to cybersecurity. Also, I write some articles and things like that in here. Here's my videos I post. So all these are cybersecurity videos I post on a regular basis. Also, I write articles and I put articles about cybersecurity on here. So think about this. If somebody looking for someone to be the cybersecurity expert and hiring for their company, do you think they're going to hire you who are only going to school or gotten your certifications, or somebody that shows their expertise in cybersecurity? Another thing I do towards building a brand is I have my own certified IT academy where I teach various cybersecurity courses. So you go beyond just working a job, and I have a good job. I work at the Department of Homeland Security, I'll show you that again, as a cybersecurity manager. So that gives me a lot of credibility in what I do. I'm a cybersecurity technical program manager. I'm a lead faculty of cybersecurity at a college, so that keeps me fresh. I'm the National Branch Chief for Cybersecurity Awareness and Education for the Coast Guard Auxiliary. So those things keep me, again, ahead of the competition when it comes for me looking for a job. Another thing I want to talk about is I have clients that I write books and guides for and things like this. This is some of the books I've written for one of my clients, Conversational Geek, Conversational Server Access. You see my name on all these. So this also, these are sponsored by various people, and when they go out to all their clients are seeing my photo and a book that's written by me. So again, keeping my brand strong and fresh. Also, I've published several books on cybersecurity: Navigating Cybersecurity Frontier about jobs and careers, Cybersecurity for Small and Medium-Sized Businesses, Safeguarding Your Organization. This is on physical security. I've written a book on CyberSense, the leader's guide to protecting their critical infrastructure, and a workbook that goes along with it. So my books are out there circulating as well. And of course, the YouTube channel where you're watching this video, where I post videos about different things around cybersecurity, different areas of cybersecurity, so you can learn more about cybersecurity. So I show you all these things for one reason, and that's because these things keep you relevant in the field, and these things put you a little bit ahead of folks who are just entering the cybersecurity field. Now, you won't be doing this when you first get in, but this is something you can do quickly after you learn a few of the concepts around cybersecurity. Think about this. You go into an office, you have the same qualifications as a person. You have your cybersecurity certifications, maybe a master's degree in cybersecurity or a bachelor's degree in cybersecurity, but then you lay down a stack of books in front of the interviewer that you've written, and you're a cybersecurity professor at a university, but you're competing for that same job. Who do you think they're going to think is better qualified? The person who wrote the book on it, or the person who just studied and got his certifications? So I hope you got a little bit something out of this about how to make cybersecurity your brand and not just your job. So let's get back to the video. Okay, you've seen my personal brand. Let's get back to our topic. Get experience without a job. No one wants to hire you without experience. But here's the secret. You can create experience. There are ways to build experience on your own. You can volunteer for a nonprofit. You can perform a mock NIST audit on a fake company. You can set up a home SOC lab with free Splunk tools. You can create a portfolio on GitHub or a personal website. And you can post breakdowns of real attacks and how you'd respond. Experience isn't about a job title. It's about demonstrating value. Now, we talked about this. I showed you my brand. You can leverage LinkedIn and build a brand. Every job you want, the hiring manager is on LinkedIn. I can guarantee that. You need to stop being invisible and do the things I showed you on my LinkedIn page. Things like create a banner with aspiring cybersecurity professional highlighted on it. Or use a strong headline like GRC, risk, SIM, learning NIST. Post once a week. Just one small insight or reflection. Comment on other cybersecurity pros like myself. 80% of job opportunities come through networking, not applications. Build your brand now, not later. Let's talk about how to interview like a pro. A job interview is a business meeting. Your job is to sell yourself as the solution to their problems. Don't ramble about search or school. Instead say, what challenges are you hoping this hire will solve? Then speak directly to how your knowledge helps, reference tools or frameworks they use, and then give examples of how you've learned or practiced similar tasks. Most important, always relate your answers to business impact. That's how pros talk. Next, find a mentor and invest in guidance. You can figure all this out alone, but it's going to take you years. Or you can accelerate your path by learning from someone like myself who's already done it. Find a mentor through LinkedIn Outreach, Cybersecurity Association like ISACA or ISSA, YouTube communities like this one, or enroll in a guided program where mentorship is built in like my program, and we'll talk about that later. A mentor can help you avoid wasted time, choose the right niche, review your resume and projects, and build your confidence, but expect to invest in it. Mentorship isn't free, it's leverage. So what should you do right now? Let's recap your action plan and then start here today. Step 1, choose a cybersecurity niche. Do you want to go into GRC, SOC, IAM, penetration testing, forensics, whatever you may want to explore? Find 5 real job postings within that niche. List the tools and frameworks that's mentioned in those job postings. Next, research and complete at least one free training from those tools. And then step 5, begin posting your journey and learning online. Step 6, network weekly. Message 2 to 3 professionals and engage on LinkedIn. And step 7, build one portfolio project every month. That's it. That's the blueprint. And if you do this with focus and consistency, you'll have interviews coming to you within 3 to 6 months. So let's talk about your first 6 months in cybersecurity. Here's what your first 6 months might realistically look like with the right mindset. Month 1, pick your path. GRC, SOC, IAM. Start studying one framework. Month 2, complete Splunk Fundamentals 1 and start a home lab. Month 3, create a mock audit report or risk register and publish it. Month 4, post your learning weekly on LinkedIn and reach out to 10 professionals. Month 5, apply to 10 to 15 jobs, volunteer or freelance via Upwork. Month 6, land your first role or get to a second round of interviews. You do not need years to get started. You just need strategy and a consistency, and I'm giving you the strategy here. Now let's look at some common pitfalls that you need to avoid. I've worked with hundreds of students, so I've seen what derails people too. First, here are the most common traps. Chasing too many certs with no plan. That's what I did in my first year. I got 6 certs my first year, and they were all over the place. You don't want to do that. Another pitfall is starting at the help desk. Unless it's the only option, I recommend skip that. It'll give you some experience, but if you follow my strategy, you won't need that. The next step is believing you're not technical enough. Trust me, I wasn't technical when I got into the field either. I came from a special investigations background as a federal agent, and I had to learn the tech aspect. You can learn the tech. Next is waiting to feel ready instead of taking action. My belief is that you always take massive action. People say fake it till you make it. Well, I'm going to give you a study plan and you don't really have to fake it. You just have to go out there, take action, and make it. And next is thinking you need permission to get started. You need nobody's permission. And if you don't do it now, time is just going to pass. So why not pass that time preparing for that cybersecurity career? Now here's a truth bomb for you. You don't need to be great to start, but you need to start to be great. Break the pattern, get focused, choose your direction, and then most of all, stick to it. Let me tell you why now is the best time in history. Let's zoom out for a second. The digital threat landscape is exploding right now. It's been exploding for years, and let me tell you, it's not going to stop. Ransomware attacks are up over 400%. Remote work opened new security holes. Cloud breaches are hitting Fortune 500 companies. AI is now being used for deepfakes and phishing. And by the way, see my other video on deepfakes. And companies are understaffed and unprepared. That's where you come in. This is your chance to enter a field that's vital to society, pays well, and has zero ceiling for growth. If you start now, in 6 months, you could be in a whole new role. In 12 months, you could double your income. But if you wait, someone else is going to get that offer. So are you ready to become a cyber hero? What if you don't want to do all this alone? What if you want help from someone who's already built the path and helped hundreds make the leap? That's why I created the Cyber Hero Academy, a guided training and mentorship program that transforms beginners into cybersecurity professionals. In it, you get structured step-by-step training in GRC, SOC, IAM, cloud, and much, much more. You'll learn real-world tools and complete portfolio projects. You'll get your resume, LinkedIn, and job hunt coaching. You can join my live group mentoring sessions every month. And you can get direct support from me and my expert team. Whether you're brand new, switching careers, or tired of being stuck, my program will change your life. So visit my website and apply for it today. I don't take everybody, but if you're coachable and you're committed, and you're going to take massive action, I'm going to help you become a cyber hero. So if this video gave you value, hit the like button and subscribe. I post several videos weekly on how to break into cybersecurity and other cybersecurity topics, how to choose the right role, and how to get paid what you're worth. Comment below which cybersecurity path are you most interested in. I read every comment and I respond personally. And don't forget, cybersecurity isn't about being the smartest. I'm definitely not the smartest. It's about being the most prepared, the most consistent, and the most focused. Your future is waiting. Be the talent, be the hero. I'll see you in the next video.